Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use exit lag for PUBG to help lower your ping, reduce packet loss, and improve your overall gaming experience. So if you want to try exit lag with a 1 year and 50% discount, I have a link in the description where you can sign up. So first, we have to toggle it on as always and keep the connection. Click the add button and search for the PUBG. Just click the helmet icon on it. Select the server section. So if automatic server selection, I recommend leaving it on. So exit lag can choose the fastest and most stable route to the game server. So if automatic isn't available, switch to manual server selection and choose the exit lag server that matches the region where you're playing. For example, if you're playing on the Asia server, select Asia. Exit lag recommends selecting the game server region rather than simply choosing the server closest to your location. But for mine, I have to prefer Asia because that's my closest region. So select that. And next, open the advanced settings. So depending on your version of exit lag, you'll see different options for most players. I recommend leaving the default settings because exit lag automatically configures the optimal number of TCP and UDP routes for each supported game. So if your version allows you to change the settings in your troubleshooting connection issues, you can use the TCP routes into 0 and the UDP routes leave the default values recommended by exit lag for PUBG. Also leave the use local routes first turned off unless you're testing a specific routing issue. Now you have to click the optimize if the button is available. This refreshes your network route and checks for a better path to the game server. Wait for it to analyze the connection. And once the optimization is complete, we have to click apply routes. After the routes have been applied, you can launch your PUBG Battlegrounds through Steam. Once you're in a match, monitor your ping and connection quality. You should notice more stable connection, fewer lag spikes, reduced packet loss, and smoother gameplay, especially during intense firefights and late game circles. And if you're still experiencing high ping, try switching from automatic to manual server selection and test another server within your game's region to see which provides the most stable connection. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy a smoother PUBG experience using exit lag. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more gaming tutorials, optimization guides, and setup tips. And don't forget, if you want to try Exit Lag with a 1 year and 50% discount, check out the sign up link in the description below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.